Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by saving work and closing any full-screen programs so nothing gets disrupted. Once done, make sure focus is on the desktop or a File Explorer window. Press Windows+D to show desktop or Windows+E to open Explorer. With the correct window active, press F5. That sends a refresh command to redraw icons and folder contents. You'll see lists reorder or thumbnails update. If your keyboard has an FN key, make sure F5 functions as a standard function key rather than media control. If the simple refresh doesn't fix the issue, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S to regain control. Once Task Manager is open, press Tab until the processes list is focused, then use the arrow keys to locate Windows Explorer. After highlighting it, press Shift+F10 to open the context menu, and then press R to restart. This reloads the shell and refreshes the desktop and taskbar. You'll briefly see the screen flicker as Explorer restarts. That's normal and completes a deeper refresh. Once Explorer restarts, check that icons and the taskbar behave normally and that File Explorer shows updated content. Reopen any closed apps with Alt+Tab or Windows+number shortcuts to verify everything resumed correctly. If the desktop remains unresponsive or UI elements won't redraw, try the Graphics Reset shortcut. Press Windows+Control+Shift+B. You'll hear a brief beep, and the display will momentarily flicker as drivers reload. If that fails, consider a full sign-out or reboot using Ctrl+Alt+Delete, then tab to the power icon and enter to restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.